Hello everyone, my name is MD Hawk and I'm from Ravensbourne University and my student ID number is 97775123. Here, today I will present the individual project process map as part of my coursework of Sustainable Project Management module. Let's introduce about my product, EcoVogue, Sustainable Fashion Cloth. Now, in this video, I will discuss about my product with the process map. So till then, stay with me. This presentation will provide an overview of the process map for EcoVogue, a sustainable fashion initiative. EcoVogue is dedicated to produce eco-friendly fashion using recycled materials, aligning with the core principle of sustainability. This presentation will explore the key workflows, decision points, stakeholder interaction, and how sustainability integrated at every stage of the project, from material sourcing to post-consumer recycling. Let's talk about objective and sustainability goals. The primary objective is to launch an eco-friendly fashion line that meets the style and quality expectation of consumer while significantly reducing environmental impact. Deliverables include a 30-item sustainable clothing collection, formal agreement with the supplier committed to sustainable practices, and a comprehensive sustainability report to monitor progress. Key sustainability goals include reducing textile waste by 50%, improving energy efficiency by 25%, and ensuring all suppliers adhere to ethical labor practices. Those objectives form the foundation of EcoVogue is committed to sustainable fashion. Material selection and sustainability integration. The material selection phase prioritizes sourcing fabric that are 100% recycled as a post-consumer polyester and organic cotton. Supplier evaluation focus on sustainability fabrication certification from recognized bodies like the Global Recycle Standard and Fairtrade. This decision point at this stage determines whether the supplier meets the sustainability standard required. If the standards are met, the process moves forward to design and development. If not, alternative suppliers are sought or terms negotiated. This ensures that sustainability integrated from the very beginning of the project. Design and development. The design and development phases focus on creating sustainable design prototypes that align with the project environmental objectives. By using advanced technologies such as 3D modeling and pattern optimization, fabric waste is minimized during the design process. The design point evaluates whether the design effectively reduces waste. If the design achieves this goal, the project process to manufacturing. If not, the design process is revisited and optimized. This stage ensures that sustainability principles are embedded within the design process. Manufacturing and energy efficiency. During the manufacturing phases, the, the focus shifts on implementing energy efficient production practices. Renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power are prioritized to reduce carbon emissions. The decision points evaluate whether the energy efficiency targets have been met. If the targets are achieved, the project progresses to distribution. If not, production processes are reassessed and optimized. By incorporating energy efficient methods and renewable energy, this stage ensures that the manufacturing process align with the sustainability goals set for the project. Distribution and sustainable logistics. In the distribution phase, sustainability continues to play a central role. The focus here is on eco-friendly logistics, including the use of sustainable packaging materials that are either biodegradable or recyclable. Additionally, transportation methods are carefully chosen to minimize carbon emissions, such as optimizing roads or using vehicles with lower emissions. The decision point ensures that carbon emission targets are being met before continuing with the distribution. If the targets are not met, the requirement strategies are reassessed. This ensures that responsibility goals are maintained even as the product reaches to the consumer. Now, let's talk about post-consumer recycling and circular economy. The post-consumer recycling phase is essential for closing the loop in circular economy. Customers are encouraged to return their used clothing, which is then collected and processed for recycling. This creates a closed loop system where materials from return product are reused to product new clothing. The decision point at this stage assess whether the materials can be recycled. If recycling is possible, the materials re-enter the production process. If not, they are disposed of responsibly. This phase ensures that EcoVogue remains committed to sustainability even after the product has been used. Key stakeholders and their roles. Several key stakeholders are involved in the EcoVogue project, each playing a critical role in the process. Supplier provide recycled materials that meet our sustainability standard, while the design team focuses on creating eco-friendly design. Manufacturer ensure the production process aligned with energy efficiency goals, and the logistic partner are responsible for sustainable distribution. Finally, customers play an important role by practicing in post-consumer recycling efforts. These stakeholders interact at critical touchpoints such as materials handovers and logistic coordination to ensure that sustainability goals meet across all the strategies of the project. Measurable targets and KPI. Sustainability metrics and KPI play a vital role in tracking the process of EcoVogue sustainability initiative. Key metrics include carbon footprint reduction, waste reduction, and energy efficiency improvements. For example, the project aims to reduce carbon emission by 30%, decrease textile waste by 50%, and increase energy efficiency by 25%. These targets are monitored at various stages of the project to ensure that EcoVogue remains on track to meet its responsibility goals. By continuously evaluating these KPIs, the project can make data-driven adjustment to maintain its commitment to sustainability. Decision points and complexity in the process map. The process map includes several key decision points that add a complexity to the project. For instance, decision points at material selection, design, manufacturing, distribution, and post-consumer recycling ensure that sustainability is evaluated at every stage. These decision points involve multiple stakeholders, from supplier to customer, ensuring continuous interaction and feedback. Additionally, the integration of closed-loop recycling system enhances the complexity of the process by creating continuous cycles for material reuse. This approach not only meets sustainability goals but also reinforces the project commitment to long-term environmental responsibility.